Hi everybody, it's Mark.
And Ned.
And we are here in front of Durham Cathedral. We tried to go live tonight. This is Wednesday evening, our time, and we had it all set up. We had a couple people patiently waiting, and we were excited to try that. But it didn't work out. The connection kept failing on our end, so I'm sorry about that. So while we're here in this nice setting with the camera set up, we thought we'd just say a quick hello, and I'll try to get this put up on the channel so that if you were there for the live stream or you're looking for the live stream, this is in place of it. And I don't know what that means for the rest of the trip. We may not be able to do any live videos or Wednesday lives on the trip. We'll just have to see.
Our original plan was to do a little live Wednesday unwind instead of Mark having to film one.
Yeah, we thought it would be nice to show you where we are and talk to you and interact a little bit more. Yeah. So maybe later in the trip we'll have a stronger connection, maybe a couple weeks from now or 3 or 4 weeks from now. Yeah. But here we are, we're in Durham. This is week 1 of our trip. We are singing Evensong every day at Durham Cathedral. We're here with a choir from Chattanooga, Tennessee, and that's our schedule. So we're not doing a ton of exploring or a ton of knitting or other things. We're just here having rehearsals each morning, singing Evensong each afternoon, yeah, and preparing for some Sunday services as well.
It's been really fun to flex these muscles that we don't get to do that often. We do sing in choirs a lot, but not every day. And so having this drill of learning new music daily has been really fun and something I haven't done in a long time.
Yeah, it's been nice. So we're happy to be here. And again, if you are anywhere on our path during this trip, I've talked about it in other videos on the channel, let us know. We'd love to run into you if we can. So I've got my knitting in front of me. I'll show it for a second. It's the Kerr sweater from Rebecca Clow. I'm almost through with my color work. I think I have about 8 rows left of the color work, and then I will hopefully churn out the rest of the body, and by the time you see me in another video, I might have much more sweater to show.
Yeah.
Yep. So again, thanks for checking in. Thanks for all of your support with everything with the channel. Thanks for being here to watch videos. Thank you to those of you who support over on Patreon, to anyone who chooses to leave comments and share a bit of who you are with me. And again, the next video will be up this Saturday. That'll be a typical video from me, and we'll see about coming to you live in the future weeks during this trip. It may not work out, but we'll do our best.
Fingers crossed.
Yep. So again, thanks for being here. It's good to see all of you. Let me know what's going on with your projects and your life, whatever you want to share. And happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy crafting to you, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Bye guys.
Bye.